Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram bot error. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram bot error, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page here, you will go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click for stop and you will enter. After that, you will click storage, and then in this page here you will go to click clear cache. When you will end this, you will enter to manage storage, and when you will end all this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix or how to solve Telegram bot error. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.